Welcome to this Skill Builder at a Glance tutorial on normal distribution. A distribution is a function that gives the probabilities of different possible outcomes. You can think of it as a mechanism that generates values, whether that's test scores, reaction times, or other measurable traits. When data are normally distributed, the mean, median, and mode are exactly the same. The bell curve is a graphical representation of normal distribution. It illustrates that data points are symmetrically distributed around the mean. The symmetry tells us that most data points lie close to the mean, with fewer occurrences as you move away from it, forming a bell curve shape. You could imagine this curve representing people's heights. It helps us estimate the chance of seeing someone short, tall, or average. Many traits follow a normal distribution when measured across large groups, like weight, reaction times, and IQ scores. The mean centers the curve. The standard deviation affects how wide or narrow it is. A large standard deviation means values are more spread out, like people's heights in a population. A small standard deviation means values are close to the mean, like the amounts of liquid in multiple drink cans taken from the same vending machine. Normal distributions have countless real-life applications. In psychology, they help us understand traits and behaviours. In business, they support quality control and customer behaviour prediction, which are key for decision-making and strategy. To summarise, a distribution tells us how data values are spread. In a normal distribution, values are symmetrically arranged around the mean, forming a bell-shaped curve. The mean gives us the centre, while the standard deviation shows how spread out the data is. We see this pattern in real-world data like height, IQ, and reaction times. Understanding normal distribution is essential across fields like psychology, business, and research. For further academic skills resources or to book an appointment with a SAS advisor, please go to kent.ac.uk/SAS or email us at sas@kent.ac.uk. Thank you.